As part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Defence PSU Bharat Electronics Limited has organized exhibitions in several of its units across the country. The Bengaluru complex of BEL at Jalahalli has opened its doors to visitors, including students and the general public, to showcase its wide range of products and services that are playing a crucial role in India's defence. Military surveillance systems, communication equipment, missile systems, electronic warfare systems, products of the aeronautics unit, and BEL's legacy products form the major attractions in the exhibition. Oxygen concentrators, ventilators, and sanitizing robots on display are witness to BEL's response in wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Products for non-defense applications such as electronic voting machines, smart cards, and technologies that aid smart city projects were also on display. In addition to this, BEL's CSR initiatives were also explained with the help of models. Each stall has products or models with all the relevant information displayed on boards, television screens, and QR codes. Enthusiastic young engineers and veterans explain each product, service, and system in detail to curious visitors and inquisitive students. The exhibition, which will be on till the 19th of this month, is open to the general public. Entry to the exhibition is through the heavy vehicle gate, and vehicles must be parked on the playground opposite BEL Hospital. Visitors must carry a valid identity card and get their bags checked at the entry gate.
which is over 500 million people in India and is broadcast in real time. An entire nation of 1 billion people vote electronically, making history, and one company is making all this happen. Bharat Electronics, India's pride in defense electronics.